Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Ringke product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we are going to be doing a Ringke Dual Easy Film Screen Protector install for my Google Pixel 7a. In the packaging, you'll get an easy install tool, which is super cool. Flexible material, easy application, anti-fingerprint. On the back of this very fluorescent green packaging, you got the Ringke Dual Easy Film installation guide. You got a website that you can go to check out a video. Read everything. Ringke doesn't put that there just because. It's very important to know exactly what you're doing. You're going to watch this video and you're going to see the install, but I would really suggest that you read everything that Ringke gives you here to make the process simple and easy. I would definitely find a time during the day where there's not a lot going on. You want to be patient so you don't mess up the install. And with that, let's go ahead and get into this packaging and get everything out that's inside. All right, that's really cool that you get two of them. So if you do mess one up, you have a second one that you can utilize. And all the accessories here. We'll put this one over here. Here's a little tool that's going to help keep the screen protector in line symmetrically to make it so much easier to get it on the display of the Google Pixel 7a. You got your screen and lens cleaning wipe, little microcloth and squeegee. All right, so this little guy separates like that. Now I would suggest that you turn off your 7a because it's going to make it a lot easier. It just is. Take off the screen protector. We're going to take the bottom half of the tool that we have here that's going to hold the screen protector in place. So you want this part of this tool here to go right inside the USB charging port. Okay, push it all the way in.
Okay, so then what we want to do is get the screen cleaning wipe. We want to wipe the display as best as possible. Now, if you do have a dust absorber laying around, that really helps get everything off of the display as well.
Everything looks great. Now, there are a few air bubbles there, but those will definitely work themselves out. By tomorrow morning, those should be gone. They're very small air bubbles. That's one of the things that you'll have to deal with if you are installing a screen protector. Just be patient. Do not try to squeeze them out forcefully. Do not try to use your fingernail to get those out. You're going to mess up scratch up. You'll put a fingernail imprint on your screen protector. So just be patient. In the morning, when I wake up, those air bubbles will be either gone or most of them will be gone, and throughout the day, they'll just dissipate by themselves. Everything looks great. I got the Ringke Fusion clear case here that I'm going to put on. Give it a nice wipe down. And very nice. There's no lifting. No lifting whatsoever. Outside of those few air bubbles, everything looks great. Turn my 7A back on. Now, I'm a fan of both tempered glass screen protectors and film protectors, as long as they work the way they're supposed to when it comes to the response of the fingerprint reader on whatever smartphone I'm applying a glass protector or a film protector. And I get the protection that I need for my investment. And yes, case friendly is always good. Let's see if those air bubbles are starting to go. They actually are starting to go away. They're still there, but they're getting smaller. It's amazing how that works. Again, don't mess with those bubbles. Fingerprint reader works great. Look at that. Yeah, no issues going on there with the fingerprint reader. Check out the review on the Ringke Fusion clear case and the Extreme Skin review on that beautiful Chroma Fusion skin. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. All the information to purchase the film screen protector from Ringke down below in the description area. And with that, thanks for watching this video. If you like this vid, leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the team if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video like this one. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. Bam. I'm out.